Go ahead.
All right, this is the sending unit. It mounts in like this, and as the fuel rises, it raises up. Looks very similar to what's in a toilet to shut the water off. But in this case, it has these little circuits in here that allow it to transfer power from the plug through a ground circuit, and it gives you the ability to see your fuel needle move.
At different resistances per terminal.
Yeah, different resistances per terminal. This is called Detox It, improves electronic connections. This is a spray cleaner that you simply spray onto your electronic connections. Always use a brass brush and not ever have it connected to power. And then at that point in time, you can then potentially, not always does it work, but potentially, it'll clean up the terminals and allow them to function normally.
It may not be perfect. Your battery gauge is basically an ohms meter between 0 and whatever it may be for the 2.5 or whatever it may be for the ohm suite max. But you don't want to take off too much of that brush with that brush, so be careful. Is it cleaning up any?
Cleaning up a little bit. You can also, if you can get the specifications from the manufacturer, you can actually test these with DVOM. Pretty sure that one's shot, but I'm going to give it a chance anyway. We have others that are in the cars outside, but we'll work on getting that worked out at a later time. Right now we got to worry about getting that fuel tank out of the car, cleaned and reinstalled with the pickup tube replaced or repaired. Can kill it.
Alrighty, you guys be careful.
Increase. 0 hours 1 minute 2.